To celebrate the spring equinox, today we're making a recycled flower bouquet. The supplies you need are 2 toilet paper rolls, food coloring, coffee filters, bowls of water, and scissors.
We're gonna make coffee filter flowers.
Add drops of food coloring to the bowls of water, however much you'd like for a brighter color. Fold your coffee filter in half and continue doing so until it's a nice little cone shape. Get creative and dip your coffee filters into the bowls of colored water. Let them dry, which may take a while. Start making your flowers by cutting the edges. You can round off the corners or do a petal pattern, whatever you feel like trying. To make a rose, we cut one line to the center of the circle, and then you use both hands to slowly roll the filter all the way around until it looks like a little rose. Another fun technique is to layer different shapes of cutouts to get a better textured flower. We cinched it together and kind of folded it so it would hold and shape more like a flower. We cut strips from one of the toilet paper rolls to make stems for our flowers, and then once we cut these strips, we cut a little slit in the end where we would place each flower. If needed, use glue to help the flowers stick into the stems. Arrange your bouquet and enjoy.
Bye! I hope you have fun making your own flowers on springtime.